Hello guys, this is your friend the great lobbyist and I'm back again with another awesome video and giving another chance to win some amazing prizes. So guys, today we are going to talk about Motorola's new addition into the entry mid-range phones, which is the Moto G30. Now I am going to give you a chance to win this beautiful bad boy by the end of this video, and you get to grab this phone by the end of the month from us. This is going to hit the market soon and I'm giving you a chance to win this, and this is an amazing looking phone. We're going to find out all about it in the review. All you need to do is watch this video very carefully, because in the end I'm going to ask you a very simple question from the video itself. All you have to do is answer that question in the comments and you get a chance to win this bad boy. So let's get straight on to finding out what's in the box, and what this bad boy packs for us. So on basic branding of Motorola, camera details here at the back, and that's pretty much it. So we're going to open the box and find out what's inside it. We're going to simply easy split here, straight to the phone as a standard thing from Motorola, and they keep the cover on when they send the phone. So that's the beautiful part of it. So here we go, beautiful looking. It is absolutely a beautiful color. It really got the dual color finish, slight, not textured, but still no fingerprints at all. So great looks. We're going to look into it. Let's look at under the hood, what's inside it. All the paperwork, adapter, Type-C, and of course they do pack the headphones, which is quite nice for Motorola. I always say, you know, if you're doing it, might as well, if you have if you're putting a 3.5mm jack, add the headphones as well. So guys, this is in the hood. We're gonna just get rid of the cover. You don't need to look at it. Put this on the side. And we're gonna remove the top layer as well. Let's see if it comes out fairly easy. No, does it? Yeah. There we go, guys. Yeah. Oh, come on. And here it goes. So guys, here's a phone. Entry level, sort of mid-range entry level phone. Great look and feel, looks great. You know, as I said, the color is quite chic in itself. Looking at the body, we got the front glass plastic back, of course, fingerprint scanner at the back. We got a tri-camera setup here, well, quad cam setup at the back as well. So if you look at it, 4 cameras here, and then we've got the dual. We've got these speakers at the back, 2 receivers, one on top, one on the bottom, and the 3.5mm jack on top. Volume toggles with 2 switches here, and the SIM card tray on the other side. Now this is you know, it's basically, in a way, it's a triple SIM thing. We got a single nano SIM or a hybrid dual SIM, nano SIM and a dual standby as well. So so technically, as you can see in the box here, 3 IMEI numbers. So you got one for the digital as well. So great stuff there, guys. So what we're going to talk about is let's start with the display. You know, 6.5 inches IPS, 90 Hz display, 82.2% screen to body ratio, not bad at all. 90 Hz is a great refresh rate. 720 by 1600 pixels of resolution on 20:9 ratio with 269 ppi density. Android 11, so great upgraded version. You're not have to wait for an upgrade. It already comes loaded with Android 11, which is great. Qualcomm SM6115 Snapdragon 662 on the chipset. It's an octa-core again, 4 2 GHz Cairo 260 golds and 4 1.8 GHz Cairo 260 silvers with Adreno 610 on the GPU. A decent amount of power, not very impressive, but an entry-level phone can do the job as well. So great stuff there. A shared micro SD card slot, 128.4, 128.6. The one we're holding is 128.6, if I'm not wrong. Yes, it is. On the box it says 128.6 GB. And camera, that's a beauty part of it. So For a mid-range phone, it is a great camera setup. 64 megapixel f1.7 26mm wide, and then you got an 8 megapixel 108 degree ultra wide angle, which is f2.2, and aperture 2 megapixel macro and 2 megapixel on the depth, which are both f2.4 on the aperture. Can do videos at 1080p at 30 frames per second. No 4K videos on this, but still a great phone for you guys to have if you're looking for a secondary phone to have it on your side where you don't want to spend a lot of money. 13 megapixel pinhole on the front, so not bad there as well, which is f2.2 wide angle camera. HDR again, which and do 1080p videos at 30 frames per second. So whether you record it in the front or the back, you're going to get 1080p video. That becomes a tongue twister, isn't it? 5000 mAh battery with 20 watt fast charging, so you can expect slightly over an hour from 0 to 100 to charge it. So, but with 5000 mAh and with the optimized Android 11 interface, you can easily get it to last for 2 days, if not more. So great stuff there. Phantom Black and Pastel Sky in 2 great color variants which are available, and this is a decent looking phone, and I'm gonna tell, so for the price, it is absolutely a fabulous looking phone, I must say. I love technology, so I normally don't talk negative about a particular product unless and until there's absolutely something wrong with it. And I personally think that this is a beautiful phone. I don't mind it using as a secondary phone. I'm going to test out the camera, put some video, and the pictures that you're going to see on the screen now are going to be shot from this camera, so you can clearly see the quality of the imaging, both selfie and the rear camera as well. So guys, this is a great phone. This is your friend the Great Lobby signing off with Motorola Moto G30. And guys, do let us know in the comments. So what I'm going to talk about is, so what is the SIM card technology that is being used here? So how many SIMs can it carry and what kind? That is the answer. You need to put it down in the comments, and we give you a chance to win this bad boy right out. And we're going to announce the winners on 15th of March, so you get to know. So this is a great month. We're going to give away a lot of prizes, and next month as well. So keep following us, liking, sharing, commenting on our videos, and keep sharing the love. This is your friend the Great Lobby signing off. Keep yourself safe. Peace.